Okay, we got the big guns. I got them laid out. We're getting Tommy's T5s here, and we're going to compare these. Just by the naked eye, I think they look identical. They're pretty darn close. Keep stepping on that. So let's see here. Man, there's a direct replica of a Toomey. Look at the longness right here. I'm gonna say that is a Toomey almost, or it is. Look at that. I don't think there's any difference. What do you think? Looks like a Toomey T5 to me, but a whole lot cheaper. I mean, I believe it is. All right, I do see one difference in the mid pipes. This one looks identical. This one is a little bit different right there. 1,200 something bucks or 800. We'll see. Let me get them put on. We'll see what they sound like, but it's going to be dark here in about an hour, so I won't get to ride it today, but we will get a sound clip. All right, so here's what you get with your big gun. Your two slip or mufflers, head pipes, mid clamps, spark arrestor, same thing in this pack. This is your silencer, I can't talk, and the Toomeys and the mid pipe. So let me get them put on and we'll have a sound clip with this video. Like I said, it may be dark by the time I get these on, but we'll try to ride it today. They do look good though. All right, here's one side. Took a little finessing, but she looks good. Get the other side on and we'll fire her up. Okay, so as far as fitment, 0 to 10 being the best, 0 being worst, everything is good, but one mid pipe was about, you seen it, that much too long. I had to cut it off to make my pipes equal. Normally that would not bother a normal person, but I'm real OCD. I want to be able to, when I look down on the Banshee, to this look clean, which it is now. They're about even. Best I can tell, they're dead on. That wouldn't bother the normal person. It bothers me. I'm OCD about stuff like that. So this is just an install video. We will get a riding video hopefully tomorrow if it warms up. This thing is not jetted for cold weather, so I don't want to take it out and beat on it when the jetting's wrong on the main jet. It's got a 280 in it that needs to go up, and I'm sick of jetting. So far, fit and finish. Overall, I'm going to give them a 70%, just simply because I had to cut that off. Now, as far as the head pipes goes, they fit better than my Toomeys. They're not rubbing the frame or vibrating like my Toomeys. So the Toomeys had a bad spot up there. They was laying on the frame. These brand new had a mid pipe that needed to be cut. Right now, I'm digging them. That's it. Okay, so we got the pipes on. It's took me a good 4 hours. Run into a little bit of dilemma. The pipes fit good all the way back to the silencers, and I couldn't get them to line up here, like equally. This one was sticking out further. No matter what I done with the adjustment things for the silencers I got from Tommy, or I've had for my T5s, nothing would work. So I wound up taking part of that apart, and this is how I left it. On both sides. So check that out on both sides. So we got it put together, and then I told Kylie, I said, something ain't right. This one was sticking out a good inch further. So after messing with this thing for a couple hours, realizing the left side wasn't the problem, the right mid pipe was this much too long. I made a good educated guess without a measurement, which I should have measured, but my micrometer is dead. Don't have a battery. So I cut that much out of the mid pipe, and now look at it. Silencers, I mean, they're almost just perfect, even when you go this way. One eclipses the other, look at that. So, go back there and film that way, Kylie, show them. They look good. Now come back here. I don't think you can get much closer than that. We are going to give you another sound clip, put the seat on it. I'll just be honest with you, I'm glad they're on them over. They sound better if the tune is idling. I don't know about riding. They're a whole lot louder idling.